Welcome. We are visiting organization format and knowledge domain of Pingal Chand Vedanta. We have observed that this organization is within creator's space, which with Visfort transcendence at its transcendental origin, sequentially take us to the self-referral origin of the transcendental domain itself. We have also been through the general features of the organization. This scripture is organized as 8 chapters, and this organization of 8 chapters, as it is when takes us up till chapter 6 as 44 sutras range and chapter 7 as 36 sutras range, then both as per its organization feature are complementary and supplementary of each other. The pada syllables up till 12 are being taken care of in chapter 6, and 13 syllables padas onwards are being taken care of in chapter 7. One may have a pause here and take note that the Lagd Jyotish Vedant, the Jyotish Vedant which follows the Chand Vedant, is as well of the organization of 44 shlokas parallel to 44 sutras organization of chapter 6 of Pingal Chand Vedanga, while the Rig Ved Lagd Jyotish Vedant is a scripture of 36 shlokas parallel to 36 sutras of chapter 7 of the Pingal Chand Vedanta. This is a phase and stage of observing and visualizing for full comprehension, as that the Vedangas as well also constitute one integrated domain, starting with Shiksha, Vyakarana and Nirukt. The second phase is of Chand, Jyotish and Kalp. The reach from Vyakaran to Nirukt is parallel with a reach from Chand to Jyotish. Now, as there is going to be a smooth integrated format transition from Pingal Chand Vedanga to Lagd Jyotish Vedanga, as such here we are taking up the organization format features of chapter 6 and chapter 7 of Pingal Chand Vedanta. These are being taken together as both are integrated and are complementing and supplementing each other. Further, the organization format features of 44 shlokas of chapter 6 and 36 of chapter 7 will provide us an insight as to how the chase of a Jyoti flow from orb of the sun for its reach up to the core of the earth is being of a geometric format. And this geometric format is parallel with the features of hypercube 6, the representative regular body of 6 space. Therefore, we are jumping over chapters 4 and 5, but after having glimpse of these organization format features, we shall be reverting back to the initial stage for continuous sequential chase of the organization format features of Pingal Chand Vedanga, with an aim to imbibe its pure and applied values. How the organization format of Pingal Chand Sutra is a practical reality chase steps format of a Jyoti from orb of the sun for its reach up to the core of the earth and back. Therefore, let us have a visit to the first sutra of chapters 1 to 8. The first sutra of chapter 1 is about Gana, and Gana is a formulation of TC value 12. Second sutra is about Chand. The first sutra of the second chapter is about Chand and it is of TC value 19. First sutra of chapter 3 is Pada and it is of TC value 14. First sutra of chapter 4 is Kriti and it is of value 11. First sutra of chapter 5 is Vrit and it is of TC value 20. First sutra of chapter 6 is Yati and it is of TC value 8. First sutra of chapter 7 is Parharshani and it is of TC value 38. Finally, first sutra of chapter 8 is Gatha and it is of TC value 12. It will be blissful to take note that this TCV values range of the first sutra's formulations Gan to Gatha as from 12, 19, 14, 11, 28, 30 and 12 is a range which settles its geometric format as well. It will be a blissful exercise and to which we will be reverting afterwards, and that this geometric format is providing us the structural keys for unlocking the sutra's domains of each chapter. The respective structural keys of chapters 1 to 8 are well embedded in the formulation Gan to Gatha, and these are permitting chase in terms of values 12 and also ultimately at 12. The beginning and end at the each meant is the specific feature, and it is this feature which makes the organization format of this scripture being unique in itself. We had already observed that chapter 2 of Pingal Chand Vedang is settling the organization of as many as 42 meters. These 42 meters are of 6 streams flow for the 7 basic meters, Gayatri to Jagti. This table, as we have observed and visualized in the previous sessions, are providing us specific flow format for the Jyoti while it stands filtered through Gayatri to Jagati. And therefore, this organization format of 42 meters as well makes core of the organization format features of Pingal Chand Vedanga. A step ahead, we had seen that the 21 meters beginning with Gayatri and reaching up till Utkriti are of sequential organization of 24 syllables to 104 syllables. This organization of 24 syllables to 104 syllables as such is an organization of quadruple quarters each, and therefore each quarter of these 21 meters is of syllables 6 to 26. It is this organization format feature which on its imbibing will provide us further complete insight and full enlightenment about the organization format features of Pingal Chand Vedanga. In this background, Now let us proceed ahead to have visualization of the chapter 6 and chapter 7. Now see, here in chapter 6 there is a translation of the text in the Gana language. We know there are 8 ganas: Magana, Yagana, Ragana, Sagana, Tagana, Jagana, Bhagana, and Magana. Nagana. Sorry, here it is Nagana. These 8 ganas are of triple values each. These triple values of these ganas are parallel with the respective dimensional frames, three-dimensional frames of 8 subcubes of a cube manifesting along the formats of 8 octants of 3 space. Therefore, these ganas as triple values ranges are the geometric format features having parallel artifices of numbers. It is this feature, it is this value, it is this reach, it is this comprehension of Pingal Chand Vedanga which distinguishes itself for having chase of existence phenomenon of our solar universe in the form of a Jyoti flow along the geometric formats. And these geometric formats are having parallel values ranges. The values ranges in geometric formats as such are taking us to the three-dimensional frames of 8 subcubes manifesting along 8 octants setup of 3 space. Further, these three-dimensional frames as triple values ranges further take us to the organization format features of 9 vowels. Now it is this reach, it is this unison attainment, it is this comprehension, it is this insight about the reality of the existence phenomenon of our solar universe for the Jyoti flow from orb of the sun for its reach up to the core of the earth on the one hand, and the existence phenomenon within human frame as a reservoir of consciousness impulses on the other hand, and the unison between the two as such is the index of the ultimate attainment of the Vedic systems, Vedic knowledge, Vedic organization, Vedic formats, Vedic mathematics processing steps, Vedic geometry, Vedic sciences, as it is taking a step ahead from the fourfold manifestation within creator's space to the transcendental domain having happened because of his fourth explosion at the transcendental origin of the creator's space. Therefore, while we will be through chapter 6 and chapter 7, as per the translation in the language, values, features, geometric formats of ganas, we will be face to face with the richness of the Vedic mathematics systems. The richness of Vedic mathematics systems is self-evident as that here arithmetic, algebra, geometry, manifestation and transcendence all are getting unified and are simultaneously at work. how to have simultaneous application of arithmetic as values of numbers, as algebra, as the organization equations, as geometric formats, as dimensional frames, as manifestations, as fourfold setups, and as transcendence, as fivefold setups. All these features, all these processes are having simultaneous application here. Therefore, the sadhakas being fulfilled with the necessity of urge to be parallel with Vedic systems applicable here in chapter 6 and chapter 7 of the Pingal Chand Vedanga shall be face to face with the three-dimensional frames of 8 subcubes of cube manifesting along the formats of 8 octants of 3 space. Now, once 3 space has a split as 8 octants, and once there happens to be manifestation of 8 subcubes of a cube upon the 8 octants formats, and once there happens to be a Visphot explosion at the origin, and once this explosion and consequential transcendence gives a reach up till 4 space of hypercube format as 4 space content manifesting as 4 space domain enveloped within a solid boundary of 8 components, and once a step ahead there also in continuity happens an explosion at the transcendental origin of the creator's space, then there emerges a domain split spectrum. It is this domain split spectrum phenomenon which is bringing us face to face with the reality of Jyoti flow from the orb of the sun for its reach up till core of the earth. It is not only a one directional flow from orb of the sun to core of the earth, but the same also is having a reversal orientation flow as well. Means this flow phenomenon is of two folds of pair of orientations. Firstly, from orb of the sun for its reach up to core of the earth, and then in a back reverse orientation flow from core of the earth for its reach at the orb of the sun. It is this continuity of twofold pair of orientations flow format which begins with orb of the sun and also has end reach at orb of the sun itself. It is this feature of the beginning and the end being at the same ment which is the unique attainment, it is a unique comprehension, it is a unique insight which is the core feature of the Vedic systems. Therefore, the sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic systems shall sit comfortably and to permit the transcending mind to chase the reality of our existence phenomena. The essential features of the reality of existence phenomenon within human frame as a phenomenon within solar universe will bring us face to face with the manifestation of Sthapatya Miring Rod format. Sthapatya Miring Rod is a synthetic setup of hypercubes 1 to hypercube 6, the representative regular bodies of 1 space to 6 space. One may have a halt here one may have a pause here and be face to face with as to how the six space domain accepts swapping in terms of Sthapatya Meiring rod. As such, six space domain permits complete exhaustive swapping along the format of Sthapatya Meiring rod as a synthetic setup of hypercubes 1 to hypercube 6. Therefore, the Pingal Chand Vedang in its unique organization is having complete sequential tabulation of sequential steps of organization in terms of three-dimensional frames of 8 subcubes manifesting along 8 octets of 3 space. Therefore, as a net result, one feature, the core feature, comes to be that the Pingal Chand Shastra is a mathematical setup of coverage, exhaustive coverage of our solar universe in terms of three-dimensional frames of 8 subcubes manifesting along the formats of 8 octets of 3 space. It is this feature which deserves to be comprehended well. Let us revisit the setup of a cube, and we will observe that within each of the 8 corner points of cube is embedded a three-dimensional frame of half dimensions. Therefore, the cube as such is framed not only in terms of the central three-dimensional frame of full dimensions, but also along with 8 three-dimensional frames of half dimensions embedded in the 8 corner points of a cube. Therefore, we have to have comprehension of the distinctive features of three-dimensional frames of half dimensions embedded in 8 corner points. These 8 three-dimensional frames embedded in 8 corner points on the one hand and 8 ganas, ma gana to na gana, on the other hand are the pair of unified manifestations. It is this unified manifestation for the 8 Magana to Nagana of Pingal Chand Shastra on the one hand and 8 three-dimensional frames of half dimensions embedded in 8 corner points of the cube on the other hand are to be glimpsed time and again to have a unification thereof. We know that cube is a setup of 12 edges. We also know that cube is having 6 surface plates. We also know that each surface plate is having a pair of axes. So there are 12 edges and there are 12 axes. Therefore, these 24 components as 12 edges and 12 axes are parallel with the 8 triple values of 8 ganas. It is this feature which deserves to be comprehended well, and it is this feature which shall be imbibed fully. One shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to be parallel with these format features, and in the light of this imbibing, we shall be taking up further organization format features and knowledge domain of Pingal Chand Shastra from next session onwards. Thank you very much.